This is the Daily Market Comment by Rafi Boyadjian. I'm Maria Pachurdes. Thanks for joining us at XM.com. After 4 tumultuous years, Trump's presidency came to a historic end on Wednesday as Joe Biden marked his first day at the White House by spreading a message of hope and unity to a fractious nation. For the markets, Biden's clear signal that easing the pandemic and reviving the economy will be his top priorities has more than offset concerns about likely tax hikes and regulation to come later in his presidency. Biden has already unveiled a $1.9 trillion stimulus plan, and investors are hoping that his constructive relationship with Senate Minority Leader Mitch McConnell will bring about a bipartisan deal to get the new package through the evenly divided Senate. All three major indices on Wall Street closed at record highs on Wednesday. The gains were the strongest for an inauguration day since 1985, as investors bet that the Democrats will spend big and finally bring the coronavirus pandemic under control. But even if the additional stimulus packages meet resistance in Congress and their sizes don't live up to expectations, the U.S. economy is once again proving more resilient than many have been anticipating. The corporate earnings announced so far for the fourth quarter have been pretty solid. Fears of prolonged shutdowns in Europe's major economies and the slow rollouts of vaccines have been weighing on the euro lately. Uncertainty ahead of the European Central Bank's policy decision today had contributed to the euro's earlier sell-off yesterday, following reports that the bank is targeting eurozone yield spreads. But it's not clear how dovish the ECB will be today, given that despite all the present gloom, growth forecasts for the second half of 2021 remain optimistic. Elsewhere in the FX sphere, the US dollar took a big hit from the optimistic tone, falling to a one-week low against a basket of currencies. The pound and Kiwi were the biggest gainers as traders scaled back expectations of rates turning negative in Britain and New Zealand. Bank of England Governor Andrew Bailey once again cast doubt on the benefits of below-zero rates in remarks yesterday. The Canadian dollar was catching its breath after shooting higher on Wednesday after the Bank of Canada dashed hopes of a micro rate cut as it pins its hopes on a strong economic rebound later in the year. This was today's Daily Market Comment. Thanks for joining us at XM.com.